Guys, and welcome back to another motivational clean with me. Today I have a few things on my list that are the type of cleaning slash chores that you need to do but you just keep putting off. I know you guys know what I mean. So today is the day I am finally getting them done, dusted and checked off my cleaning list. Also, I am going to be using just 4 cleaning products, including bicarb, which I picked up from the cooking section in Aldi, distilled white vinegar, which again is from the supermarket, soda crystals, and my washing up liquid and water mix, plus a few cloths, my mop, and also the Dyson. So let's get started in the bathroom. We have been using this shower in the bath for the past couple of months because there was a problem with our other shower. That's now been fixed, it just needs to be resealed. However, the bath has become, of course, dirty because we have been using the shower part on a daily basis. Here I just sprinkled some bicarb down, sprayed it with white vinegar in the main part of the tub, and then all around the edge I just sprayed the washing up liquid and water mix. While that was soaking, I moved on to the oven. Now, I'm not going to do a whole deep clean, but the racks and liner in the bottom really needed some TLC, as well as the glass door. So I just put all of this into soak while I wiped down the inside and the door before I moved on to vacuuming and mopping the hallway while the racks were soaking in the water. Back to cleaning the bathtub. I have mentioned this before, but I was using the Minky bathroom sponge, but I really didn't find this did a good job at scrubbing compared to the original. So I think going forward I will just buy the original Minky and have one for the kitchen and then one for the bathroom. At the moment I am using the bathroom Minky in the kitchen, which does work better, but once that one needs throwing away I will just go back to the original. Let me know in the comments down below if you use the Minky sponges and if you think the original is better, or you do like the bathroom one, or if you have another recommendation for a good bathroom sponge. I would love to know. I wanted to share with you guys this new shower head that I purchased for the bath shower from Amazon. It is supposed to be good if you live in a hard water area, plus it's also better when washing your hair. It was an absolute steal on Amazon. It was only £13 and I really love how smooth the water feels on my skin. As well as this, there is 3 different settings. If you guys want to know more, I will just pop the link down below so you can check it out yourself, and it has listed all the benefits of this type of shower head. Guys, this is the reality of my ironing pile. Please tell me if you can relate. Honestly, with all the beautiful warm weather we've been having, I'm actually on top of the washing. However, that means I have had much more to iron, and I really do have to be in the mood for ironing. So the way I find the motivation to do it is by watching something on YouTube or catching up on some Marvel on Disney Plus. Which reminds me, have you guys been watching any of the Marvel spin-offs? So like the TV program versions. There's been WandaVision, which was one of my favorites, and then Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which I really enjoyed, and now Loki. There's only been one episode so far, but I really enjoyed that episode. Let me know if you're a Marvel fan too. I've been trying to watch all the films again so I see how everything connects and like makes sense. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're cleaning along with me. Hopefully this gave you some motivation too. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. I hope you're all well, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.